Alright, so we landed in Fort Lauderdale. We got out of the airport. We picked up the solar panels, so there's two of them right there. 325 watts each. So we're on our way right now to Fort Pierce because we're getting a condo. So we got to meet the guy there, and in 1 hour at 11 o'clock we got to meet him, and the owner of the condo, and get the keys. Then I gotta go pick up Peter from Vero Beach, which is about 12 miles north of, not even 12 miles, where the condo is. I think it's about 9 miles or something like that, to Peter. So we're gonna go pick up Peter. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go eat something because we're hungry. So we're on our way right now to Fort Pierce, and once we get into the condo, we'll take some more footage of the condo. So lots of work, looking forward to it. Exciting stuff. You excited, baby?
Very excited. I'm just glad that it's warm here.
It's actually very warm, very hot actually. Not warm, it's hot. So
I'm not complaining.
Not complaining either. I'll take heat over cold any day of the week. Alright, so the rental car is being returned right now. There it is right here. Rental car. I need to get a van because the solar panels. So that's all taken care of right now. The solar panels are in the apartment. Peter says they're a little too big, but we'll make it work. And I'm here to get a smaller vehicle so that we can continue to work, provision the boat, and get it ready for the crossing to the Bahamas. This year there's definitely going to be a crossing to the Bahamas. Been waiting here at the Enterprise rent-a-car for the last, what's it been now, 20 minutes for them to open up. They're supposed to open at 9 o'clock. Alright, so I waited in line at the car rental, Enterprise rent-a-car, and the guy was late by 25 minutes to be exact. So I returned the van, and I had a reservation for a smaller vehicle. Much cheaper. The van was $75 for the day, and the vehicle I'm renting is it was $160 for a week. So but they gave me the same van back. They upgraded me at no charge, and I think they ran out of cars, so they gave me a van instead. It's the same van, so I'm in the same vehicle. Instead of $75 a day, I'm paying $160 for a week. But I got it for 3 weeks. That's how long we're going to be here in Florida, preparing the boat to cross over to the Bahamas. So now I'm on my way to the marina. I got to meet up with Peter, and I believe Owen is going to help us out as well. Owen is a kid that lives on one of the catamarans there, a liveaboard family. Very nice kid. Hi, Owen. So we're gonna go and install the rudder. That's we're gonna take a nice chunk of the day, and then we'll see what happens afterwards. I gotta start preparing the boat, start cleaning up in there, and preparing the boat for departure. Exciting times. Can't wait for it. All right. So once we get the rudder ready, I will put up some more footage. Alright, so we're here back at the boat, Blu Bayou. Missed you, baby. Oh, okay, here we go. Alright, so now the work begins. Alright, so we got the rudder in. Took us about an hour, but we got it in. And now we gotta make all the connections in the lazarette right over here. So here it is. Here's the rudder. All the garbage is picked up. A few crabs. Hey, there's some crabs on my hand. See it?
That was the junk that was stuck to the.
Yeah. No, there's a crab. It's right on my head.
It's small, right?
Yeah, really small. There's a few more crabs over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, about 8 maybe. So anyhow, gotta connect that, gotta reconnect that, and then boat is motorable. And then we got to get the boat ready for to live on. This is Owen.
What's up, guys?
Hi, Owen. All right, so we finished installing the rudder, and now we're here at I don't know what this place is called, but it's apparently this really good burger joint here in Vero Beach. So they ordered burgers, and I got myself a salad because it's still on the diet. So we're gonna have some lunch and then continue to work. All right, so Akeisha wanted Cinnabon. It only took us 20 minutes to get here, but we got here. It's inside a Pilot truck stop. So here we are, going to go inside right now and get some Cinnabons. You ready? Say hi. Alright, let's go inside and get some Cinnabons. Oh yeah. So I did something today that I've not done in 2 years now. 2 years ago in September, I played poker for the last time after being a professional poker player for 14 years. So today we drove to get Akeisha some Cinnabons, and on the way to Cinnabons I saw that there was a casino in Fort Pierce. So I looked it up, and fair enough, there's a poker game going on, so I stopped in. I made, how much? 59, right? 59 or 69? 59. I made $59. And then we stopped at the Dollar Tree, and we spent 90. So, yeah. So technically it only cost us 30 bucks. So that's okay, that's not bad. And now we're on our way to Lowe's to get some scrapers so that I can dive tomorrow and scrape the bottom of the boat before we move it to Fort Pierce to lift it out of the water. And that's it, yeah. So stay tuned once again. We're on the boat right now. We just removed the bimini, and Carol over there is installing the Dodger, new measurements. So new Dodger. And we're gonna move all these stanchions right now. This mount, this is all coming off because we're getting a new arch installed for the solar panels and the wind power generator and all that stuff. So lots of work today. After that, we're gonna drill for the holes for the rudder to align it, and then jump in the water and clean the bottom. So the back rail is off now, as you can see. Everything is off. Because the arch is going back there, and another arch about 4 feet apart. So all these have to be drilled out, filled up, resealed. The arch is going to have a holder for the propane tank as well. So this one here, this box here, that's a vented box for a smaller tank, 5-pound tank, so that's coming out, and I'll give me more room inside the side lazarette. So all the rails are off, and they're up there on the dinghy. So that's it. Now Peter went to get his scuba gear, and I'm gonna, as soon as he gets back, I'm gonna jump in the water with him. He's gonna clean underneath. I'm gonna clean around the water line. We're gonna scrape the bottom, and the boat is almost ready to, well, we gotta still connect the rudder, and then we might just use the tiller, and then take the boat down to Fort Pierce and get the arch installed, lift it out of the water, get the arch installed, and do some work and get things moving. So things are moving nicely, it's looking good. We'll get it all done. Thanks to Peter. I don't know what I would have done without Peter, I'll be honest. Keith helped me out a lot, like a lot. He gave me the first 2 weeks, 24 hours lesson, 24 hours a day as we were coming down to Florida. He departed all the way from Lake Ontario. He departed in Norfolk, Virginia. So that was 2 weeks that he came with me. Really helped me out a lot in the beginning, helped me get the boat over to the marina from where I bought it. That was an overnight sail. So I'm very grateful for Keith, and extremely grateful for Peter. Peter watched my boat the whole summertime, and took really good care of it. I came back, I stepped in, I thought I was going to find mold all over, I thought I was going to find a whole bunch of shit in there, and it's clean. It's just like I left it. A few beehives, but we'll get those out. There's no bees in there. They're gone. They hatched and gone. But yeah, it looks good. I'm really impressed with the way he took care of the boat. Took care of it better than he would have taken care of his own boat. So very grateful for that, and for all his help getting the boat ready for the Bahamas. So yeah, awesome. Good to have good friends. It's very rare to find real good friends, and I say Keith and Peter are friends for life. So all right, so we're gonna jump in the water as soon as Pete gets back, and continue to work, because tomorrow morning I got to go see Joey at the marina and book an appointment to take the boat in and get everything done. So lots more coming.
Alright, we're going to try scuba for the first time.
So I went and seen Joey at Riverside Marina. He's the guy who's going to be building my my arch. He's got one boat there right now that he's working on, and if there's one other thing he's got to do to it if they want it done. If not, then the boat will be out tomorrow, and then my boat goes in. If he does want to get it done, then my boat will go in on Thursday. So by Thursday, the boat will be on the hard at the Riverside Marina, getting measurements and all that stuff for the radar arch and everything else that we got to do. So looking forward to lifting the boat out of the water, getting it painted, getting everything done. It's about 2, maybe 3 weeks of work, so not too long, and then we head out. So yeah, good stuff, good timing. Just dropped Peter off back at his bike. He's going to run a couple errands, and then I'm going to meet up with him again, help him fix a few things that he has to get done, and we call it a day. So that's what's going on today. Tomorrow we're going to connect the steering, and so we have a wheel. We haven't decided if we want to go with the wheel or we're just going to use the tiller, manual tiller, to get to Riverside Marina. Next time on Blu Bayou, we finally get the boat over to the marina. Blu Bayou is on the hard. Wow, she really does need a good paint job. And we take a good look at the damage that was caused by the rudder. That is right there. Now remember, folks, if you like these videos, please share, like, and subscribe. See you next week.